Hey, what's up, guys? If this is your first time watching my channel, I want to go ahead and welcome you to Creative Passive Income. Do me a big favor, go ahead and ring the notification bell, okay? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Now, the only reason I'm asking you to do that is because that way you get notified every time I come out with new content, okay? So this is video number 3 of my $500 challenge with the Home Business Academy for HBA. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started real quick. Yesterday we left off on kind of show you, okay, on the back office of funnel builder. I don't think I need this one. I need the back office. Okay, and I think if I'm not mistaken, it's
In my first 3 days, I had
now this is the sales page, which I showed in the first video. Okay, right here. So um like I said, if you decide to take action with the Home Business Academy, okay, for short, it's HBA. This is a funnel building system, okay. A lot of people might be asking, but why do I need a funnel? I explained on video 1 or 2, I think it was video number 2, but I'm gonna go through it real quick, okay. If you own a business or you're promoting in any type of business, it doesn't matter if it's MLM, it doesn't matter if it's drop shipping, it doesn't matter if it's affiliate marketing. It doesn't really matter. Even if you have a brick and mortar, okay, you need to have a funnel building and a autoresponder. Just two simple tools, okay. With those two simple tools, you can go ahead and start a business. It doesn't matter what type of business, like I mentioned. So you might be saying, man, but I don't want to build funnels. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. Okay. I totally understand. My question to you is, do you just want to make money online? Because there's people in here who just want to make money online. That's fine. If you just want to go ahead and make money, jump on the onto HBA, get started, grab your link, okay, and go promote. And every time someone signs up, you get paid. Okay. Keep in mind, this is a residual business. That means that if that person stays for a whole year, promoting with you, that means you get every month you get a residual commissions, $20. HBA pays their affiliates 80% commission. Okay. Never heard of that. Freaking insane. I love that. So imagine if you have a team of 10, 20, 30, 50, 100. Do the math. 100 times 20, you get the point. Okay? I'm not going to sit here and try to do math for you. I mean, I'm trying to show you the value of this business. There's people making real good income in this business model, okay? Now, with all that being said, I just want to go ahead and throw an income disclaimer. Okay, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, this is not just a regular like other people think. It's just another system. You go and push a button, and you're gonna make thousands. Nope. Okay, it takes time. It takes dedication. Like I said, it depends all up to you how much time, how much effort you put into it. Okay, and then you start seeing results. Just like anything in life, once you put time, you put effort into it, you see results. Simple. Like I said, if you want to go ahead and grab it and get started, there's gonna be a link down below. Okay, get started and grab my bonuses. That's all I can say. It's freaking insane. Okay, and on top of that, if you get started, I will let you have access to my ATM blueprint. Okay, that's my personal course that I created. It teaches people how to become a affiliate. Okay, the right way. Because there's a lot of people teaching how to become an affiliate and this and that, but there's a certain way, for you to be an affiliate so you can have success. And like I said, you only need two simple tools, a funnel builder and a autoresponder. Okay, but let's go ahead and let's get started. Like I said, when you guys when you guys saw the last two videos, um me a second. I talked a little bit about the office, the sales page, and all that kind of stuff. And like I said, once you get started, um, if you're having upgraded to premium, I really, really highly recommend it. It teaches, they kind of go over all kinds of traffic strategies and all that kind of stuff. And on top of that, you'll be added to a personal Facebook group of people that they'll show you, what's working for them and all that kind of stuff. I think I mentioned that anyways. So, okay, once you get started becoming an affiliate, that's the first thing. Become an affiliate. Go right here and watch these videos. Okay, watch the videos. Very, very important. Watch the videos and then go right here where it says log into SumCart. Okay, that's step number 1. Kind of go through all this stuff. Okay, it's a must. A lot of people don't like to go through the process of learning, okay, and watching videos and all that kind of stuff. They want to get straight to the point of making money. Now, check this out. This is where I'm going to help you out. If you decide, if you're serious about, turning your life around and start making some income from home, just promoting, just recommending this offer to a lot of people. You got to understand this. Anybody, could have a very good useful of funnel building. Okay, I recommend it to everybody. It doesn't matter. Everybody needs one of these. Okay, so there's other products out there. They're a lot more expensive. I'm not gonna mention no names, but they're almost $100 per month. Right here, it's only $25. You have nothing to lose, but a lot to gain. Look at all this information. Do this. I highly recommend. But like I was saying, go through every single step. Okay, go to every single step. I have people ask me, Julio, how do you get sales? How do you have success? Or teach me. I said, okay. I always say one thing. The very first thing to become successful in anything you do in life, the first step is to take action and get started. That's it. Okay? HBA, getting started, checklist, treasure map. You got to do this. Check it out, okay? So step number 1, become an affiliate and then get started. And like I said, do all the videos. Once you do that, once you watch everything, go back over here to the HBA Funnel Building Academy, okay? And start right here where it says welcome. Start here, Funnel Builder, and all that. I'm going to create a video of how to get everything, like join the community. It tells you right here, plain and simple. I'm not going to teach you that, but 3 steps to building any business, okay, online. I'm going to show you how to do a domain, how to integrate your domain, your email autoresponder, and all that kind of stuff, okay? And then we're going to get into creating your first funnel. Simple, guys. It's so simple. It's kind of like, just if you know how to copy and paste, it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, so we're gonna go through all of this, okay? But don't just wait on me. If you decide, like I said, if you decide to take action, start implementing this. I'm gonna continue putting a series, a video of everything, so that way you can kind of come and watch what I'm doing. And okay, I'm over here. I'm gonna implement what Julio did, kind of that stuff. On top of that, you have all these videos that teach you everything, okay? The only reason you're watching my video is, I don't know, kind of had a peak of interest, maybe my bonus that I'm giving away. And on top of that, I think I mentioned my rotator. So you're going to be added to my rotator, whoever gets started. I mentioned yesterday. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and leave this video like this. We're going to jump on integrating how to get your domain, integrating your Aweber or GetResponse, whichever you like to do. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and get into building your funnel. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you. We'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a blessed night. Okay, blessed day, blessed evening. It depends what time you're watching this video. Okay, thank you. Once again, go ahead and check out my bonus on the bottom. Get started. Okay, click on the link in the description. Okay, guys, welcome to the team and welcome to the Home Business Academy. Thank you. God bless. Peace out and much love.